Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. The observations of the court were made primarily in connection with the problem of admission to colleges where naturally academic performance must be given prime importance. Stop. The words or even in the matter of public employment occurring in the first extracted passage and the reference to the marks allocated for the interview test in the Indian Administrative Service Examination were not intended to lay down any wide general rule that the same principle that applied in the matter of admission to colleges also applied in the matter of recruitment to public services. Stop. The observation relating to public employment was per incurium since the matter did not fall for the consideration of the court in that case. Stop. Nor do we think that the court intended any wide construction of their observation. Stop. As already observed by us, the weight to be given to the interview should depend on the requirement of the service to which recruitment is made, the source material available for recruitment, the composition of the interview board, and several like factors. Stop. Ordinarily, recruitment to public services is regulated by rules made under the proviso to Article 309 of the Constitution, and we would be usurping a function which is not ours if we try to redetermine the appropriate method of selection and the relative weight to be attached to the various tests. Stop. If we do that, we would be rewriting the rules, but we guard ourselves against being understood as saying that we would not interfere even in cases of proven or obvious oblique motive. Stop. There is none in the present case. Stop. The writ petition is therefore dismissed, but in the circumstances there will be no order regarding costs. Stop. Para. The decision of the Supreme Court in case of Liladhar within bracket Supra was also noted by the Supreme Court in case of Ashok Kumar Yadav within bracket Supra. Stop. A later decision in case of Manish Kumar versus State of Bihar and others within bracket Supra, the Supreme Court explained the decision in case of Ashok Kumar Yadav within bracket Supra and made following observations. Stop. Para. Thirdly, it is difficult to see how the division bench of the High Court could possibly undertake an inquiry into the question whether the chairman and members of the Haryana Public Service Commission were men of integrity, caliber, and qualification or not. Stop. It was a totally irrelevant inquiry because even if they were men lacking in integrity, caliber, and qualification, it would not make their appointments invalid so long as the constitutional and legal requirements in regard to appointment were fulfilled. Stop. Article 316 of the Constitution makes provision for appointment and term of office of members of a state public service commission. Stop. Clause within bracket 1 of this article provides that the chairman and members of a state public service commission shall be appointed by the governor of the state, and the proviso to that clause enacts that as nearly as may be 1/2 of the members of every public service commission shall be persons who at the dates of their respective appointments have held office for at least 10 years under the government of a state. Stop. Over.